Market for a new car, the new year is actually one of the best times to buy.
Tonight we're taking action to tell you why the next few days are time to get a great deal.
Odds are you've probably seen a car commercial offering low prices and irresistible deals, but when is really the best time to buy a new car?
Right now there are big rebates going on, there's great interest rates.
Whopper of incentive and rebates, the best that we have seen throughout all 2013.
Whether you desperately need a new car or have been trying to find an excuse to buy one, car experts say now is the time.
Time frame from the 26th to the 31st, we almost sell as many cars in that time frame as a month.
It's that time of year for dealerships to hit their quota and push the 2013 models off the lots to make room for new 2014 models, meaning low prices. Here are some helpful hints in finding the best deals out there.
They're going to discontinue or have dramatically changed the looks of that vehicle. They'll offer bigger money on that to move those out.
So do some research.
One of those is to go to the manufacturer's website, get your information before you go into a dealer.
Also, it could depend on where you live.
If one part of the country is overloaded with trucks, they may put a bigger discount on the trucks than they may on sedans, for example.
Some 2013 trucks here at Sanderson Ford in Glendale are offering up to an $8,000 rebate. And if you aren't looking to shell out all that cash for a new car,
don't overlook used cars. There's some fantastic lease expirations, and those cars are coming back now.